Venture into print on demand. From zero to sales. It may sound unbelievable, but regular folks like you are making up to $3,000 per day without creating or shipping products. This is all thanks to a game changer called print on demand. An individual, for instance, has racked up $3.6 million in online earnings, consistently making over $94,000 monthly by selling custom products like phone cases, mugs, posters, and shirts. Intriguingly, these are products adorned with nothing more than images or names of people's pets. In this video, I'll test this side hustle myself, adding a bit of challenge by setting specific rules. Number 1. Create a legitimate shop. The aim is to establish a genuine online store. Number 2. No initial spending. Avoid spending money upfront, aligning with a print-on-demand model. Number 3. Launch in 1 hour, get 10 sales in 5 days. Start the business swiftly and aim for at least 10 sales within the first 5 days. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. The chosen print-on-demand service is Gelato, offering the world's largest print-on-demand network with a user-friendly interface. Product selection. Custom sells best. And so, now that we've chosen our print-on-demand service, the next step is to determine the type of products that will likely sell well. Based on extensive research, I found that custom products, particularly those with a seasonal or themed appeal, tend to perform exceptionally well on Etsy. Custom products in particular are the highest-selling items on the platform. As a reference, we earlier explored an Etsy shop generating over $94,000 per month by selling custom pet merchandise. Numerous other shops on Etsy are achieving significant success with custom t-shirts, posters, and similar personalized items. Considering this, it seems prudent for our shop to focus on what has already been proven to be successful. Creating mock-ups with Gelato. Effortless designing. Now that we've identified the products we'll sell, the next step is to create the designs. The beauty of selling custom products is that we don't necessarily need to generate original designs up front. Our process involves creating listings on Etsy, and when a customer makes a purchase, they will provide an image of their pet along with any relevant details. We then follow a few steps to prepare the image before submitting it to our print-on-demand partner, Gelato. Gelato takes care of the manufacturing and shipping processes for us. Before we proceed with creating mock-ups, let's first establish an online store. Etsy is my chosen platform for this venture because leveraging its existing customer base, which visits the website over 530 million times per month, provides an excellent opportunity to go from 0 to 1 million quickly. Additionally, Gelato seamlessly integrates with Etsy, requiring just one click to connect the two. This not only streamlines our operations, but also reduces the workload significantly. If you prefer to use a different platform to start your online store, Gelato also integrates with various other platforms, offering flexibility in your choice. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Setting prices. Premium and competitive. One of Gelato's standout features is its powerful pricing tool. Let's use this tool to set prices, starting with custom mugs. Determine competitive pricing. Gelato's pricing tool compares your product pricing with other online stores. Set a competitive yet profitable price. Premium pricing for customization. Considering the custom nature of our products, opting for premium pricing around $25 seems justified. Maximizing profitability. Adjusting the price to $25 boosts the estimated profit from $17.50 to $77.50, aligning well with market averages. Competitive advantage. Despite being a new store, the customization factor allows us to offer a competitive price point. With prices set, We've officially published our products on Etsy, marking the start of day 1. The initial goal is to achieve a minimum of 10 sales in the next 5 days. Ordering a product, quality check, and customer experience. To ensure the quality of our products, I ordered a custom poster from my own Etsy shop. This also allows us to experience the customer journey. Gelato's seamless integration with Etsy simplifies the entire process from order placement to customization. Results and profit analysis. Achieving sales goals. After 5 days, we've achieved 9 sales, just shy of our 10 sale goal. The revenue is $329.20, but fees from Etsy, shipping, and product costs must be deducted. The final profit stands at $165.11, showcasing the potential of this side hustle. While not reaching the $94,000 monthly mark yet, the ease of setup and early success suggest exponential growth with continued effort. Conclusion and future scaling. Consistency is key. Scaling this venture further is viable with sustained consistency. Gelato plays a crucial role in the entire process, making it accessible and efficient. If you're interested in part 2, where I explore more products and scale the store, drop a comment below. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.